Hello guys, welcome back. You are watching Emmanuel Drop. So in this video guys, I am going to be withdrawing my $58 of these free USDT mining sites. Okay, so now let's go withdraw by clicking this withdraw button. Okay, and let's go get my USDT wallet address from Trust Wallet. Okay, so let me click on receive and copy out my wallet address. Then we go back to the site and take note, I still have about 144 USDT right here in my wallet. Okay, so let's go back to the site and I'm just going to paste my address over here now. Then I scroll down and click on withdraw. Okay, and you see here now success. All right, so let's go check out the withdraw history page by clicking this button here now, and then I click on deposit. All right, so you come down here now, you see here that this is the withdraw over here now. Okay, so this happens to be the fourth time I am withdrawing. Okay, so now let's wait for them to process the payment, and I'll surely get back to you guys as soon as I receive my payment. Okay, so please do watch to the end and do not skip any part of this video. Stay tuned. Welcome back. So guys, I just got a notification from Trust Wallet right now saying that $58 was sent to me. Okay, now let's open my USDT portfolio or Trust Wallet account first, and this is my new Trust Wallet account balance. And if I should open my USDT portfolio, you see here that this is the payment over here now. This is a payment of 58.36 USDT, which was sent to me today from these free USDT mining sites. Okay, so now you have just confirmed here now that the site is legit and 100% active currently. Okay, now let's go back to the site guys, and over here now I am going to show you how the site works. All right, so you get the link to sign up now in this video's description box, and once you click on the link, you have to sign up with your details such as your email address, username and password. Okay, and once you are done with that, you'll be taken to your account dashboard where you have to then choose the cryptocurrency that you would like to mine. Okay, you can mine Bitcoin, TRX and a whole lot. Okay, so now let me say now you want to mine Bitcoin, increase your BTC mining power from here to here now, and this way it would start mining free BTC for you immediately. All right, if you want to mine TRX, you turn down your BTC mining power, increase your TRX mining power this way now, and it will start mining free TRX for you. Okay, if you want to mine USDT, turn down your TRX mining power, then you go down to USDT this way now and increase your USDT mining power this way, and it will start mining free USDT coin for you immediately. Okay guys, so that is just how the site simply works. Okay, and if you want to mine multiple coins, let me say for example now you want to mine both USDT and the repo, you make your USDT 50%. All right, so let's go make 50% and let's go make repo 50% also. All right, and you can see here now that I am now mining both repo and USDT. Okay, so I'm just going to advise you to focus on mining one cryptocurrency for you to hit the minimum withdrawal as fast as possible. Okay, and do not forget your 6 hours bonus. Okay, so come up here now. All right, so come up here now and click on this button right here now. Okay, and you click on bonus. When you click on bonus, you see here that you'll be given about from 1 to 5 VHS randomly every 6 hours. Okay, so click on get bonus, and this time I received 3 VHS. Okay, so that is it. You can also make a deposit by clicking this button right here now, and take note, you can only come back and claim you can only come back and get bonus every 6 hours. Okay, so to make a deposit, you click on this button here now. All right, and you click on this button with the name deposit. All right, and here you can deposit with Bitcoin, Litecoin, Dogecoin, USDT, BNB, TRX, Shiba Inu, Bitcoin Cash, Zcash and repo, including Ethereum. So now let me say for example now you want to deposit, choose the crypto that you want to pay with. Okay, so let me go for USDT for easy calculation. Okay, now you come down, enter the amount of the coin you would like to deposit. So let me say now for example now you are going in here with about $10 deposit would get you a mining speed of 1000 VHS, and you make 2% every single day. Okay guys, so that would get you 2% every single day for 180 days, and that would be it's two profit of $36 in just 180 days. Okay, now let me say now you're going in here with about $50 would get you a mining power of 5000 VHS, and you make 2.8% every single day, making your profit about $252. Okay, now if you are going in here with about $100 here now, that will get you a mining speed of 10,000 VHS, and you make 3% every single day. Okay, so 3% of $100 would be $3 every single day. Okay, so $3 times 180 days guys, that would be about $540. Okay, so if you go in here with about $500 and now you get a daily profit of 3.5%, and you also get about 50,000 VHS as a mining power, and you make a profit of $3,150 in about 180 days. Okay, and now let me say now you are investing about $1,000 and now that will get you 100,000 VHS, and you make 4% every single day in 180 days you have made about $7,200. okay guys, so now let me say now you're going in here with about $5,000, and now that would get you a mining speed of 500,000 VHS, and you make 5% every single day, giving you a total profit of $45,000 in just 180 days. Okay, and don't forget that you can be withdrawing as it is mining. All right, so guys, when investing, invest at your own risk and invest what you can afford to lose, as I am not a financial advisor. Okay, and also take note that as it is mining, you can be withdrawing your money anytime you have made at least $10 in your account. Okay, so $10 is the minimum withdrawal amount, and you can withdraw it as it is mining, just like I did. Okay, so now to deposit, just click on deposit right here now and choose the crypto you would like to deposit with. Enter the amount in the coins or the amount in USD over here, then click on deposit now. So once you click on deposit now, you copy out the wallet I just gave it to you, head on to your wallet straight away and deposit. Okay, so once you have made the deposit, you come over here now, visit your account dashboard again, and you click on mining, and within few minutes the mining power that you purchased will be added here to your total power, and your mining speed will increase immediately according to the amount that you invested. Okay, you can see that I have been able to mine about $2.2 again in my mining area. All right, so that's how you make money off the site. So for those who might be wondering what is the minimum withdrawal amount, let's come down here now and let's click on FAQ. So down here now, you see here that the minimum withdrawal amount for BTC is 0.0008 BTC. For Polkadot, it is 1.2 Polkadot. For Shiba Inu, it is about 850,000 Shiba Inu. For Ethereum Classic, it is about 0.26 Ethereum Classic. For ADA, it is 20. For SRP, 40. For Bitcoin Cash, 0.07 Bitcoin Cash. For Litecoin, 0.15 LTC. 1.35 Chainlink, 0.0088 10 USDT, 150 Dogecoins, 0.16 ZEC, and 150 TRS. Okay, so anytime you have mined up to this amount in your account, you can withdraw to your wallet straight away. So give this video a thumbs up if you wish to see more videos similar to this one. Okay, so thank you for watching, guys. Stay safe and God bless. Peace out.